Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to erase a part in Canva. So for this, what you need to do is simply go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then you have to simply type in www.canva.com in the top navigation search bar, and here you have to, it will take you to the login page. You have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, you have to simply open up the design that you'd like to edit. So let's say I would like to edit this one. Just simply choose that image, click on edit option from the top navigation bar, and it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And here you have to choose the magic eraser from here, and here it will get, you will get the a brush from here. Just simply choose the brush, and let's say I would like to erase this part as well, and also this part, and then click on erase, and it will take a couple of seconds. Here you can see in the left hand side the magic eraser is already working, and here you can see that some part of the image have been already been erased. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.